So she gonna have training every Saturday leading up to the competition?
Yeah, I'm a bird. A training game. Never seen another one in the terrible.
Terrible how? Them now I'm not cheering or nothing. So how them terrible?
They're not coming to one them. The one of them burn out and them look all. I'm the one that training for them.
Alright. Well now she have news too.
May I come pick her up and carry her for my evening?
Which friend that?
Ashley.
So how she never tell me that?
Because you tell me you would have sent the carrier
Tomorrow night?
tomorrow evening, Chris. 6:30 p.m.
Oh, I might still be on the road. But I can pick her up though.
It's alright. May I just want me with you?
So you go watch her right through like a guardian angel?
Yeah. I'm gonna want fun in the devil.
What? Where that turn the devil for?
Listen, pull up a website boy and you're gonna actually I'm gonna know one of them like destiny. So may I make sure me present. So may I have to make him upset.
Okay. Gabriel?
Yes, maybe him to say me come and to share, as you know.
You know, say she a grow and that I got me, right?
What happened?
The boyfriend thing.
Yeah, but she's not nowhere near that now.
Alright. Me just a say. So, you stay over when you drop her off later?
Don't think about it.
You know, say.
Mama, do I?
Hold on.
Hold on to what, sir?
Babe, I will talk to you later about that. I have to cut now, yeah? Oh, T, alright?
Cant.
Alright, number one and number two.
Very funny. Why is it when we want pee, the closer we get to the bathroom, and the harder he come down? Ooh.
Cause your body will not release it.
No man, you know allow me to want it. Ooh.
That will damage your bladder, you know.
No man, at the road taxi turn off, drop off one woman at the main.
You are talking about route taxi. Come to the agency taxi.
Nobody ever available when me ready. I'm never gonna spend another minute at work.
You sure some one of them would have free up in about even 30 minutes. So you could have just wait a little bit.
You know hear me say? I'm never gonna spend another minute at work.
So it that bad?
And I say that bad, you know, but I can't take this Donovan brother.
So where am I going with?
No, my self-appointed supervisor.
Oh, the chubby brother?
Him same one.
Oh. Remember saying you used to question when I go around to meet you, Mr. Mullins, you know?
You know, say, asked me one time if me are an agent.
He asked me too. I don't know why I'm not trust him.
I mean, no, money's no way, I do. I'm no who for trust.
But I say too, that's why to start the community program, you know. So if them question me, we can tell them so we're part of that.
Because the man here say, I'm going to be a junior agent in training, him no stop lecture me.
Lecture you?
Yeah, but him want to teach me the ropes and how to pay attention if I want to go out in the field.
But him not a field agent.
He claims he used to be. After him get injured, that's why I'm taking this job.
And you believe that? I lie, I tell.
I know, but me not make him no wiser. Not playing one play supervisor role so he can send me out.
What do you mean by send you out?
That did. He did. Not sure you want me get coffee fee and get lunch fee at the cafeteria.
Yeah. That's why I'm glad to have to do that this thing, you know. Because I don't know how that would work out.
Let me tell you something. If I never the sake of the agency, I tell Mr. Mullins say, let me stay home.
You know, sir, because of that politician brother and investigation like this happened though.
Whisper, is a whole heap I learn about the agency in a couple of days, you know. And enough things we're responsible for, you know.
Yeah, but we can't make it public.
Over 120 odd case file I got through, you know, Whisper. And the agency served 97 over a 10-year period. And nobody not talk about that.